This is an intelligent 4-axis machining center, equipped with a laser system, scan code for instant processing, automatic feeding, pneumatic cylinder precision positioning, servo motor automatic flipping, servo automatic positioning, automatic clamping, main motor power up to 7.5 kilowatts. The walking motor uses a large servo motor, fast and stable. Automatic tool change system, 6 milling cutters to switch at will. Perfect integration with ERP systems. Trusted by many clients, G&C Fuson, Fenglu Aluminium, Feel Sunshine, etc.